This video is part of a series of videos on how to use Auto-Traefik. Be sure you start from the first video. The link to the playlist is in the description below. So now we're going to start with part number 4, which is Docker. So I'm going to go in here, click on Docker. It says that Docker environment is not set up. By Docker environment, what am I talking about? Let's go back in here and I'm gonna show you on my guide. If I go scroll down here you can also see the requirements we just completed. Okay, so if you want to follow the text version, it's right there, but the Docker environment I'm talking about is right here. The files and folders that are required for Docker to work properly, the environmental variables and a bunch of different things. Okay, setting up the log files and all of that stuff. You can do it manually by following these steps, or the script can do it for you. So we're going to start doing that, and I'm going to say enter, and it's not going to work. So I can tell you that right now. So I'm going to say yes and press enter. Please verify your purchase under Auto-Traefik options for this to work. So now we're going to go do that. We're going to go to Auto-Traefik options, and I'm going to verify my purchase. First is the domain name, which if you remember, we already finished step number 2 where we gave the domain name. The script automatically picks that up. I'm going to say okay. The next thing that you need is the email address that you use to purchase on smarthomebeginner.com. So I'm going to use a dummy one right now. The smarthomebeginner.com. This is a test one that I created, so it will lose all the privileges once I'm done with this video. So I'm gonna say okay. Now it says your email ID and domain name will be used to verify your purchase. Okay, so I'm gonna press enter, and there you go. Access level verified. This particular email has Auto-Traefik plus privileges, so we're good now. So now let's go back to step number 4 and set up our Docker environment. So there you go. So it starts creating the Docker environment, all the files and folders. It's also going to ask for your time zone. So I'm in Zurich or Central European time zone, so that's what I will specify. All the different things are automatically picked up by this script. It's going to create the .env file for you. It also is going to create the starter Docker compose file for you. So I'm going to press enter, and now it says done. So let me refresh my file browser here. You can see now there's a folder called Docker, which the script created. All the required files and folders are right here, and I can click on the env file and it's going to open the env file, which again is explained in my guide, but the script creates it for you automatically. Now that we have everything checked and the environment created, now we're going to set up socket proxy. Okay, so if I go back to the script and set up socket proxy, it should just really take a few seconds. Of course, it depends on the speed of your hard drive, which is normally the bottleneck. This should be quite fast right now. So there you go. So socket proxy has been created. It's done and it's running right now. You're going to see that here as well. Socket proxy is done and it's running. If you haven't liked the video or my channel yet, please do so. So I'm just starting out, and every bit of support from people who watch the videos will really help me grow my channel. It helps the YouTube algorithm see that you find my videos valuable and I get more visits on my videos.